Leslie here, and welcome to my daily nature journaling video where I do mindful writing and sketching prompts to help us connect even in a world of noise, to help us connect to ourselves, each other, and life, the life inside of us and the life around us in the midst of all of this noise. And the noise is part of it too. Open to everything. And today I went blueberry picking, a seasonal activity in New England in July. And so what better subject for the nature journaling today than this? So for this exercise, call to mind a favorite food, a memory of the taste, and write to the best of your ability of the memory of that taste. Okay, I wrote about the memory of a blueberry. What did you write about? Memory of a blueberry. Blueberries are tiny bursts of flavor, tartness expanding. Small, earthy delights, a combination of air, water, soil. A flower that has become fruit, edging and spreading across my taste buds, bright, open, quickly disappearing like fireworks, flashes of taste on the tongue. Okay, so don't they look beautiful? Here's the blueberries. And now, let me just do a quick sketch. So, let's see.